is a lot of candy.
This is a lot of candy.
So this is a lot of candy. I just don't know.
We don't really know what all this stuff means. So, if anybody out there speaks Japanese, then tell us what it means, because we don't know any idea. So Oreo cookies, which is like the only thing we can really read. It has like green cream inside of it.
I don't know what
We
it
don't
is.
really. All right.
Try this.
You're perfect.
Kind of scared to try this.
Yeah, it smells really bad.
But you all cannot try it at one time. You first.
It smells like green tea.
Okay.
It smells like mint.
Oh, I think I would like it.
Yeah, it does taste like green tea, like in the
I
inside.
don't even know what green tea tastes like.
I mean, it doesn't taste bad, but.
Okay, Sean, now it's your turn. Eat it. Take it back. Come on. You like it? You need the bucket? I don't think that's too bad. Oh, there you go. It looks like chocolate chip cookies. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, Ashley, open.
Oops. You gotta hold it up.
Okay. It's like chocolate chip cookies, but it doesn't really look like chocolate chips in there.
Yeah, it looks like just lines of chocolate. It's even better than chocolate chip. Lines of chocolate. Get them at your local store today.
Pass them around. Give one each.
I'm actually kind of excited for this one. Okay, Oh my god.
You didn't try it yet, did you?
No,
Okay.
but it smells.
Okay, Ashley, try it.
What does it taste like? You spit it
You
out.
need the bucket?
You can spit it out if you need to.
You need the bucket. Why did I know that?
In your napkin.
In your napkin.
Okay. It's your turn.
Okay, Sean, your turn.
Your turn. Oh, I just realized what this is on it. Seaweed. What? It's seaweed
Okay.
on it. I just
All
realized
right,
it. Oh,
Joshua, your turn.
I just realized. Oh my god. Ew, ew, ew. It's seaweed.
Go ahead. Okay, Bradley.
That was not good.
No. No.
Okay, so stop.
No. Oh, I didn't realize it was seaweed. I could tell by the color and the way it looked. I don't like it. The rating is 0 out of 10. 0.
Yeah.
I give it a 0.
It kind of looks like a vanilla wafer-ish.
Like potato chip. Something good.
Pass it. No, pass it around.
Smells like Japanese
Sean.
food. Here's some pig.
This smells.
Give Sean some
Okay,
water.
so this is since 1969.
Here, Sean.
Since 1969.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Why did I agree to this? I wonder if it smells like. Wait, can you pause the video? Actually, it smells good. I need more water.
Okay.
Oh, this smells pretty good.
Bad.
Tastes like popcorn. Yes.
I'm kind of excited actually.
Tastes like corn chips.
I like the smell of
Here,
it.
why don't
Put it onto your neck. Okay.
you need water, Sean?
Bite it. Bite it like a man. Bite it. Bite it like a man. It does kind of taste like corn chips.
Yeah.
I'm good. These are great. 10 out of 10. And 10 out of 10 with IGN. What? Okay, take out Somebody else. So I don't know. I have no idea what this is.
It's okay.
It's like grapes, I think.
Yeah, I don't know. Like cotton candy.
Oh. Maybe we could just like split it in half.
Oh my goodness. It's
Like
like
take some off.
Just rip some off and put on each one.
Rip them off.
it would have like Pop Rocks in it or something.
Ooh, I think this is gonna be good.
No,
My favorite part so far was the corn chip thing.
don't need it.
Those have Pop Rocks in it.
Yeah, I have like.
Wait, what do we do with the rest of it?
Just put it on the table.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
It smells like grape Kool-Aid. I bet you it's just gonna taste
Yeah, I
like
have
grapes.
like Pop Rocks in it.
I bet you it's just gonna taste like grapes.
Pretty good.
Hey, Sean. Here. I'm actually excited. Really excited to taste. Is it good? Like Pop Rocks. I think this is
Is it good,
Sean? Sean. I'm guessing
Yeah,
it's
I
good
know.
because he took another bite of it.
Okay.
It tastes so
Just
good.
eat it like a man. Do I try it now? You gonna try it?
This is like great medicine you'll get when you sick.
No. That's good. I've never
Oh, some really
I
strong
like
grape
this.
flavor right there.
I know. I remember. What?
Like some kind of like good salty.
I love salty things.
I like that.
Just in case it doesn't taste good, I'm gonna have some of this. It'll go to that.
Yeah.
Oh
don't
yeah,
have
they're
any-
like different colors.
I don't have any water left.
Can we get like each of the colors?
Oh.
No, just get one.
Just get one. They probably all taste the same.
These look like little tiny marshmallows. Or like tricks.
They don't really smell like anything.
I can't smell it here.
That's it. Just pop the thing in your mouth.
What does it say? Corn chip? What does it say? Corn chip.
It tastes like something familiar, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, Sean, try it.
And actually, you have to eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
It's good. Like it?
No, I'm just gonna grab mine.
Put it out.
Not yet, Riley.
You gotta do just like expressionless.
I liked it.
Okay.
I didn't.
Kind of chewy. Crunchy. 9 out of 10.
I like that. Looks like I have some shakes on the back.
Shakes. Wasabi
Shakes.
shakes.
Wasabi
Wasabi
shakes.
Or
Wasabi shakes a thing?
I don't know, like just
Yeah.
ground up wasabi.
Do you even know what wasabi
it doesn't smell like wasabi, but it doesn't smell like an apple.
What do you think it's gonna be?
What
What
does
if
this smell like?
I don't
Does
know.
it smell good or
Does it
bad?
smell like anything or
It smells like something.
Familiar or disfamiliar?
It has like
Disfamiliar?
Is that even a word?
Yes, I jumped word my book or dictionary. Dude, that's a big chunk.
I know it's
You excited about this?
Oh my
Oh my god.
They're sticky. What does it smell like?
smells like
It smells.
It smells like it's a real. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Look at my fingers. They go.
They gum.
It's sour.
Oh my god! It's so sour. Your face.
Okay, Sean, your turn.
It's really sour.
You still ate it though.
Yeah, it must be good, but if it's sour.
Okay, eat it.
I like some sour kids. Like
Eat
sour patch kids. I mean sour stuff, not sour kids. As they say.
Flip around. It was like instant. You're like,
Do you like it, Sean? Stick
okay.
it to your fingers. Why is it so sticky? What's this stuff made out of?
The cotton candy.
Oh! Is it sour? How sour is it? Oh my gosh, Sean.
6.
Oh my
Okay.
god. That was sour.
I put the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah, it's really sour.
It's good, but it's really sour.
I need something chocolatey. I need something with chocolate in it.
I don't think there's anything with that much chocolate in it.
Okay, so it looks like little marshmallow covered with chocolate.
Hold it. Hold it. in
I'm
front of
excited about this.
Looks pretty good.
Okay.
What do they look like?
I don't know.
They're in a bag.
In a bag?
It must be super expensive then. They double package it.
They look like snow caps. They smell really good. They smell like.
I need something. Please let this be chocolate, not just some other thing
It looks like chocolate.
that Japan produces.
Yeah, like you thought this was chocolate.
They're like rolly things.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
These are pop rocks. These are pop rocks.
Oh man, they smell really good.
I can feel them popping in my mouth.
They smell really good. I'm gonna enjoy this one.
Alright, let's put it back. Okay.
Wait, not yet.
Okay. I just want. I'm just gonna think of this like a chocolate grape. Both marshmallows and chocolate. I've never bite of this.
Oh yeah, that tastes really good. It tastes like a American candy.
Okay,
Maybe they actually have this in America.
Cool. You like it?
Okay. It was good. That was good.
America.
That's good.
Hey.
Oh yeah, okay, good.
Hey.
Dude, that tastes really good.
This is great.
I'm gonna have another one.
Hey,
Yeah, I want another one.
Oh, 500 of them.
Okay, no. Okay, Riley. Big one.
Whatever this is.
Okay.
It's a candy
It's
bar.
like, well, it seems kind of crunchy.
Looks like a candy bar package
Yeah.
with an anime character on it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
More like a cartoon, like anime. Cartoon. Okay, American
Show it,
cartoon
like
anime
this.
person. It's an American cartoon anime person.
How do you know it's American?
It looks, I said the cartoon person. It looks American.
Isn't that a
Riley.
candy boy?
Cartoon.
Riley, no anime cartoon is American.
Hey, it looks like it has chocolate in it or something.
I don't know. What makes you think like?
Oh, more chocolate candy.
I don't. It smells like barbecue sauce. So like it smells like ketchup.
Oh no!
Oh, really? Oh my
Yes,
god.
it does.
It looks like a dog treat.
It smells like ketchup.
What if he accidentally sent us a dog
Take a bite. Just take a bite. Oh my god.
Ketchup.
Really? It tastes like ketchup.
Like tomatoes. That's probably why the packaging is red.
Oh no! And we had 3
It
of
tastes like
these.
tomatoes or ketchup.
Ketchup.
It's crunchy.
Is it good? It does smell like ketchup.
Just eat it already! I'm gonna get this over with. That's why I have some great cotton candy on it.
No, I would eat this.
I wouldn't eat it if it still tastes good.
Just with the ketchup.
Need some water, Sean?
Good.
Yeah.
I like ketchup. And whatever this outing. Oh, never mind. I just got the taste.
I'm pretty sure this is cotton candy. It looks pretty cute. And it's so kawaii. Yeah. Kawaii.
Kawaii?
I'm
What's
pretty
that?
sure it's cotton candy because the packaging has cotton.
Why is KYE?
It's Japanese, so like really cool. Like,
And
Like
birthday
cute or
cards
something.
candy.
Kawaii. Kawaii.
Oh,
That's it. Kawaii.
don't say that.
I found it.
okay, it's white.
It's white.
It's white. It has a pink tip to it.
What if it's a giant marshmallow?
It's just your giant.
It doesn't. It smells like marshmallows.
What if it's marshmallow cotton candy?
It's not the same texture. As, oh my
I'm
god.
gonna make it.
Let's see, Papa.
I want that. A big piece.
Yeah.
I'm eating some Pop Rocks right now.
Oh my god.
He's going to egg it wet.
Now it smells like cat food.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It feels like a sofa. It feels like it feels like cotton. You just rip it out of my couch.
Okay.
tastes so bad.
Does it taste good?
It doesn't taste like anything.
Really?
Like,
It tastes like water.
Water.
I don't know. I can't like taste it.
Try tasting it again.
Maybe all the horrible candy blocked up your taste
Wait,
buds.
let me.
Yeah. Maybe you're supposed to eat one of it. Add water.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
now it tastes like strawberry mushroom. Alright, Sean, try this.
I'm gonna try this. It's one. Yeah. This one with marshmallows.
No, good.
Okay, Joshua.
No,
Time to
what's
try.
I'm going into the way.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like anything.
I still have like ketchup taste in my mouth.
I want to take that.
What kind of candy is this? It doesn't taste like anything.
I know.
Well, when you, I'm gonna do it with water.
I don't have any water left.
I can taste it. That's good.
Green stuff, which in
hold it up like that.
Yeah, the
green stuff, which in this case we don't really know what it is. And like strawberry or
On the back, it
apple.
has gummies on it.
Yeah, I have like gummy with that. Which is definitely exciting.
Open it!
If
Open
any
it!
of you who are Japanese, can you tell us what
Riley.
this is? Good job. I can't. I don't know how to open this.
Kansas.
Wait, I have like a full thing.
I want gummies. I want
Oh,
gummies.
I want gummy!
I'm gonna run out.
Oh my god, they look like they have like sugar on it.
Sugar coated gummies.
Sugar, sugar, sugar,
Like
sugar,
some
sugar,
chocolate.
sugar, sugar. One.
Wait.
Like this.
Whoa.
They smell really sour.
How did I get all oranges?
I don't know.
Orange might be my worst gummy flavor ever. Like, look at this.
It's chewy.
Yeah, they feel.
You do smell sour.
Okay.
I'm gonna take one more.
Oh.
Maybe it's not sugar on them.
Okay, let's try this all at the same time, guys. Ready?
You have to eat every
Okay,
single one of
one.
them?
It smells familiar.
Okay, one,
It smells familiar.
Three.
yeah,
But the smell, it smells familiar.
really chewy.
Enjoy.
Not sour, as actually pointed out.
What is this?
Yeah, it smells really It feels like a chocolate, like granola bar. It looks like it has like some kind of like snake or dragon, and like a little
It looks
cat
like it has
down.
a wafer on it.
What looks like a cat?
I know. Just pull it out.
Oh, it's got a granola bar on your back.
Yeah, it, looks,
I like those gummies.
it smells like a Kit Kat or something.
Yay.
Oh, it has
My
like,
hands are
it looks like it has like crispy things.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Just break off. And
Let's eat it at the same time again.
It
wait.
smells like a crunch bar.
Yeah, there we go.
Right. 1,
Two.
2, 3.
Mmm.
I love it.
Very good.
Out of 10.
You like it, Sam? Okay,
I
so
don't
this
know.
one looks like it has some chickens with some lobster heads and a chicken. I don't really know. It looks like it has like, it doesn't look very good. It has like some shrimp or like a lobster or something on it.
Yeah, I swear, this is shrimp flavored candy.
Ashley, hold it.
Joshua, don't you like?
I like shrimp, not shrimp flavored candy.
Okay.
Are you still eating that?
It's a pop-up. I love Pop Rocks.
Hurry up.
It smells like
Yeah.
seafood.
Hurry up.
Really?
Yes, it does.
Oh.
Hey, 30
It
seconds.
smells
Hurry
like
up.
water or something.
What?
Here's a pair, guys.
Okay. At the
One,
same
they
time.
look like Cheetos. 1, 2,
That is good.